So I just read about this new AI called Qwen3-Coder, and it's blowing my mind. It has 480 billion parameters,
Wait, seriously? That's wild. What does that even mean in practical terms?
right? So essentially it's got this mixture of experts model with 35 billion active parameters working at a time. Crazy efficient.
Oh, wow, that changes everything. So it's not just powerful, but super selective about its resources, huh?
Exactly. And it's designed for agentic tasks like coding and browsing. It really feels like we're entering a new era.
So how does it perform in comparison to older models? Like, are we talking groundbreaking results?
Totally. It's set new records for agentic coding and tool use, making it comparable to big names like Claude Sonnet.
That's actually kind of scary. So it's already challenged the biggest players in the game? Wow.
I know, right? And it supports long contexts too, up to 256K tokens initially, expandable to 1 million. That's mind-boggling.
1 million tokens. How does that work? I mean, what does that mean for context processing?
Well, think of it like being able to read an entire library in one go. It can remember so much information.
That's such a good analogy. I can't believe we might have AI that can analyze entire books at once.
Exactly. And imagine the applications, code generation, chatbot conversations, data analysis, the possibilities.
And this all comes down to how well it can integrate with platforms like Qwen3-Coder and Qwen, right?
Absolutely. They designed it to work seamlessly across different environments, which is a game changer.
So, its adaptability is just as impressive as its size. Are there any specific coding languages it excels at?
That's another amazing part. Over 100 languages, everything from Python and Java to even niche ones like Brainfuck.
No way. Brainfuck? That's the one that's like a coding puzzle, right?
Yes, it's like the ultimate brain teaser for programmers. This model is truly versatile.
So with a model this capable, what does this mean for future developers and programmers?
I think it could revolutionize how we think about coding. It might even change the education landscape.
That's fascinating because it means programming could become more accessible. What's the catch?
Great question. There's always a trade-off. We'll need to consider ethical implications and potential bias.
Right, it can't just be all about performance. We have to think about how it's trained and to what ends.
Exactly. And if it's not carefully monitored, we could face significant risks.
That gives me chills, honestly. But it's so exciting to think where this technology could lead.
Totally. But wait, I'm curious. How do you think such models will interact with human coders?
I think it could lead to more collaboration. AI could handle repetitive tasks while humans focus on creativity and design.
Yes. So it might push us to become more innovative and strategic. It almost feels like a partnership.
Exactly. AI augments our strengths instead of replacing us. That perspective is refreshing.
And what if this leads to new areas of innovation? We might unlock entirely new forms of technology.
Wow, that's an optimistic view. I like it. Imagine what we could accomplish together.
Right? It's all about rethinking our roles. But we also need frameworks to guide this development.
Definitely. Balancing innovation with responsibility is key. How do we ensure these models are ethical?
Great point. Maybe through rigorous testing and transparency in the training processes?
So, like explaining how data is sourced and ensuring diverse representation in training datasets.
Exactly. And encouraging community feedback to shape these technologies responsibly.
I can see that being hugely beneficial. It fosters trust and accountability from the outset.
So, if we put all this together, Qwen3-Coder could be the launchpad for a new coding revolution.
Yes, it's such a thrilling thought. What a time to be alive and witness this evolution.
And as it unfolds, it makes you wonder, where else can we apply this technology next?
Exactly. This is only the beginning, and I can't wait for what's to come.
Same here. This is just so exciting, and we're part of this journey.
Totally. I'm really looking forward to the future and all the possibilities.